WilFiks chopping axe, 15 camping outdoor hatchet for wood splitting and kindling, forged carbon steel heat treated hand maul tool, fiberglass shock reduction handle with anti-slip grip. Our wood chopping axe is designed for easy chopping of firewood, logs, kindling, and branches. The optimized blade geometry is designed for maximum efficiency to give you more one-strike splits. Ideal for campers, hikers, outdoor activities, preparing wood for bonfires and garden work. Hatchet camping axe, 15.7 inches chopping hatchet for firewood splitting, forged carbon steel heat treated, durable fiberglass handle with anti-slip rubber grip for outdoor survival hiking home. This wood chopping axe is designed for easy chopping of firewood, logs, and branches. Designed for camping, hiking, outdoor activities, preparing firewood and garden work. Ergonomic anti-slip handle or Hatchet is designed with a shock-absorbing anti-slip grip. Craccker camping axe, 15 inches plus folding saw chopping axe with sheath and anti-slip handle outdoor camping hatchet splitting axe for wood splitting gardening tools. AXO 2 composite steel material. The head part of our camping axe is made of 800 grams high quality hardened forged steel. High hardness and wear resistance. Black spray paint and plastic coating can prevent corrosion and rust, and maximize the use time of this garden tool. The handle is made of orange PP and black. Fiskars Norden N7 hatchet with recycled leather sheath, 14 inches, features a hickory wood handle with fiber comp overstrike protection over molded axe head will not loosen or separate, offering a strong, safe handle and head connection. Double hardened, precision ground carbon steel blade with low friction coating stays sharp. Longer perfected balance and power to weight ratio increases swing speed to multiply power for a lifetime warranty.